अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। ख़वातीन व हज़रात, आज मैं थोड़ी सी कुछ इंग्लिश भी बोलूँगा और कुछ उर्दू में भी बताऊँगा। Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to talk today in little bit of English also, and then I'll explain it in Urdu. Before we start the video, I will request you all to just subscribe this channel and like it and share it. ख़वातीन व हज़रात, आपसे गुजारिश है कि इससे पहले कि आप वीडियो देखें और अपने ख़यालात का इज़हार करें, आपसे मैं ये दरख्वास्त करना चाहता हूँ कि आप इस वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक करें, शेयर करें और हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इस तरह हमारी आप हिम्मत अफ़ज़ाई फ़रमाएँ। अल्लाह ताला आप सब लोगों को खुश रखे। जज़ाकल्लाह खैरन। Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for liking my video.
This is not Masjid Al-Aqsa. This is... For years, there have been attempts to confuse people to not be able to tell these two sites apart. Al-Aqsa, or otherwise known as the Qibla Masjid, was the original direction of the Qibla in Islam. Even many Palestinians confused this building, Dome of the Rock, with Al-Aqsa, even taking pictures and tagging it as Al-Aqsa. Even Google searching Al-Aqsa brings pictures of this building. One day, Al-Aqsa will no longer be standing, and people won't realize it because they'll think that Dome of the Rock is Al-Aqsa, and everything will look fine. Although these two buildings are located on the same compound, they are not the same. Know the difference before it's too late.
उम्मीद है कि आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर पसंद आई है तो लाइक करें और कमेंट ज़रूर करें। Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you must have liked this video. If you liked it, please subscribe it and please do leave your comments. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Bye.